Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today we're going to talk about Halloween fonts and a little bit bonus at the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and let's begin. So we're going to explore 8 fonts and the first thing you want to do is go to text. Let's add some heading. Let's type in scary. All right, let's expand the text. You can expand text two ways. You can either drag it or you can here in the top press or just type in number. So let's do 120. And let's explore the fonts. So the first font is Laqueer. Sounds fun. Let's see how it looks. Again, press fonts, type in here. It looks nice. You can also change the color here in the top. And if you press add new color, you can do bloody colors. So let's do it like this so you can see it more. The second font is this one. Again, you press it here, press here, and it's Jeepers. Looks nice, like from Scary Movie. The third one is this one. Also looks nice. The fourth one is Charum. Looks also nice. Fifth one is this one. And this one. The sixth one, the break. Here, it's Canva Pro font, but looks really nice. And you can use for your thumbnail, for cards. The sixth one is this one. And the eighth one is Waterly. Looks really nice. So the bonus part I was talking about, how you can improve your cards, your thumbnail and stuff like that. You can go to elements and just type in drip letters, press graphics, and you can see all sort of letters. So let's, for example, use this one. And if you want to see more of these colors, here you can see magic recommendations. You press all and you can type in whatever you like. So let's do again scary. So if you want to select all the letters, you hold shift and just move the letters. And if you want to align them, you just press here, align elements, and from top, as you can see, everything is aligned. And now you can move it as you like. So thank you for the watching and see you next time.